Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are going to Sicily to make baked pasta Anelletti with eggplant. This timballo di pasta is perfect for a buffet. And no, they are not canned SpaghettiOs. Anelletti is a firm pasta that holds al dente well, perfect for baking.
These are all the ingredients you need. Measurements are listed in the description below. Remove the stalk, peel the eggplant completely, cut the eggplant lengthwise. You can drain the eggplant with salt to remove the bitterness, but current eggplants are no longer too bitter. Place a skillet pan over high heat and brush it with olive oil. Once the pan is very hot, place the slices of eggplants to grill, turning them until grilled on both sides. They do not need to be completely cooked, as they will cook in the oven. Eggplants are like sponges, they absorb a lot of oil. By grilling, we still keep the nice toasted flavour, avoiding that oily sensation.
Haven't we done this before? Bring to the boil a large pan of salted water to cook the Anelletti. If you can't find Anelletti, you can use pennette, rigatoni or zitti. The brand must be a good Italian one, as the pasta should remain firm when cooked. In a separate pan, prepare the tomato sauce. Stir-fry olive oil in 2 cloves of garlic and remove once brown. Add the tomato sauce, a teaspoon of salt and a chopped basil leaf. Let it simmer for a few minutes to absorb the flavours. Boil the pasta only half of the time written on the package. The pasta will finish cooking when baking. Drain the pasta immediately and mix it with a few spoons of tomato sauce and freshly grated Parmesan. We will add the rest of the sauce later. Oil a round baking pan with a hole in the middle. Lay the eggplant slices all around to line the tin. Cut the leftover eggplant into chunks and add them to the tomato sauce. Mix half of it with the Anelletti and keep the rest aside. Place a layer of Anelletti over the eggplant lining and a layer of caciocavallo, provola or mozzarella cheese. That is a lot of cheese. Top it with the rest of the Anelletti. Top it up with some breadcrumbs to retain the juices in the centre. Bake in a hot oven for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Celsius. Once cooked, let it rest for 10 minutes before turning it over. With a knife, assure the outside and inside edges are not attached to the pan. Place a large round serving dish over the pan, turn it upside down and remove it from the tin. To serve, fill the hole with the remaining tomato sauce mixed with the grilled eggplants. You can compose this baked eggplant pasta ahead of time and bake it 30 minutes before serving. Serve it warm so the melted cheese will stretch out onto the plate. For more eggplant recipes, watch the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Right, stop right now. I'm eating this one.